Food is such a big part of showing love, but also bonding the family together.
Food carries an identity very powerful and quietly, and it connects generations.
Food is the thing that connects us. One of my goals has always been to do good with what we've got, to do some good out there in the world. The partnership with Too Good Co has been amazing. It's been really mutually beneficial. They provide us with incredibly delicious food and produce, while also nourishing our employees on a deeper level. So it's a program that helps to counsel and prepare women from complex trauma backgrounds to re-enter the workforce. These women are just incredibly resilient. They rotate through different recipes from people's backgrounds. We've had incredible Afghani food. The dumplings and borscht have been amazing. It's not just catering. It is catering with a purpose. It also makes our customers and our employees incredibly proud.
I am born in China, and I went to Belgium when I was 19. And then I moved around a little bit. I worked in the UK, in the Netherlands, and the last stop was in Germany. My kids always get excited when they see Spätzle on the menu, and that was my motivation to make them at home. Very often, especially in South Germany, you will find it in a lot of kids' menus. It's a very simple dish, but it's also opportunity to spend, some fun time with the kids in the kitchen. They get excited. I want to equip them with kitchen skills.
It's super good.
So yummy.
But I also think in cooking, they learn to, be flexible and to accept a failure and be resilient when things go wrong. Resilience is not about what you can achieve. It's about when you fail, how do you bounce back?
3 years ago, my husband got a job opportunity in the Netherlands, and I had to leave everything behind and make sure we stick like a family, him, me, and at the time my 6-month daughter. During the first month here, I was really homesick and everything felt new and unfamiliar. Food is only the one thing that sticks to you and you can carry out with you unchanged. This dish is called molokhia. It's a traditional Egyptian dish. Molokhia is basically a fine jute leaves. It is cooked in rich soup. It reminded me of my home. The smell brought so much memories, and it is now not just cooking in my new kitchen. It is basically a home now.